How long do you want to keep on struggling before things change? Every other day, the prices of things keep on going up. Rent is going up, fuel price is going up, even sachet water price is going up. But your income remains the same. You can barely survive because of the little money you are making. When you think of all your needs and satisfying them, you get frustrated because you know that the little salary you earn, the little income you make, will go nowhere in helping you fulfill all those needs. So you just have to maybe satisfy the needs of food and perhaps paying for your rent, and that is it. And then other basic stuffs that you need, you just neglect them because you don't have enough income. You don't have enough money. You wake up, scroll through your phone, complain about the government, and then nothing changes. You deserve more than just surviving from January to December. If all you have right now is a phone and internet, this video can open the door to a completely different life. A life where you don't have to struggle before you eat. Enjoy yourself. Starting with WhatsApp, an app you already use every single day. Let's talk about the 6 practical ways you can make money on WhatsApp in Nigeria, even if you've not made a single kobo online before. And yes, it works in 2025. Now, after watching this video to the end, and you really want to start earning on WhatsApp, I highly suggest you get my bundle, the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle. It is like a toolkit that will help you sell with clarity on WhatsApp, sell with structure, that is an organized framework, and also sell with confidence. When they ask you your price, you say it without fidgeting, no matter what the price of your product or service is, without thinking, oh, you're not going to patronize me. Because you understand the value you're offering, you will sell with confidence. It will also help you sell out consistently on WhatsApp. Like you literally pack money on WhatsApp. Now, if you're interested in checking out this bundle and see if it's something you want to get for yourself or for your loved ones, then check the description box of the link there. Go there, click the link, and it will take you to the particular place where you can check it out. And then, without much further ado, let us jump right into the video. The first way is selling physical products. So instead of every other day, you are scrolling through WhatsApp, looking for whose status to view, trying to look for people online that you can chat with. How about you commit to selling physical products? It could be anything. People literally sell anything on WhatsApp. People sell cars, houses, lands on WhatsApp. So you can sell any physical products of your choice. You can sell anything on WhatsApp. It could be food items, clothing items, fashion accessories, what have you. You can literally sell it on WhatsApp. I have a friend who sews, and she uses WhatsApp to sell her services to her clients. I mean, she goes online, she posts about the clothes she has made, she posts clothes inspiration for people that are interested, and she'll tell them that, see, this particular clothes, I can sew it. And when you indicate interest, she'll literally just tell you the price, the cost. If you want her to go and source the material, sew it, and then deliver to you, she will do that. If you want her to go to the market, source for the material, come home, sew it, and deliver it to you, she will do it. Because distance is not a barrier for her. She has clientels everywhere, like even outside Nigeria, because she's currently in Nigeria. So you see, it's all about the mindset. It's all about knowing that, okay, anywhere I am, if I'm dedicated and focused, I am going to achieve whatever I want to achieve. It is not about having a large following on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, maybe having 50,000 followers or subscribers before you think, that's when people will see my product and patronize me. By using just WhatsApp, which is a messaging platform, you can use it and sell to a large number of people if you really know what you are doing and if you are determined. Now with WhatsApp, you don't have to start worrying about algorithm and all. But with social media, you might be like, oh, I want to build my following, so please let me just take time, let me take some months and grow it and all that before you can start selling out. No. With WhatsApp, if you're strategic enough and you know what to do, you're going to sell out without the algorithm disturbing you, just like my friend did. Now you have to use your catalog and also quick replies to ensure that, okay, when they come to your WhatsApp, they can easily go to your catalog and check out the items that are available there, so that even if you're offline, they can easily make their pick and send the pictures to you. and tell you that, oh, okay, I've gone to your catalog, I've picked, this is what I want, where should I pay? Simple. So you don't really need to stress yourself and be online always sending pictures to different people that makes demand. It is already there in your catalog. Also, you need to use this feature, quick replies, so that anytime they send a particular word to you, an automated message will pop up. So you put it there ahead of time. So even if you're offline, you're cooking, you're sleeping, your WhatsApp is literally attending to your customers. These are free features you can use on WhatsApp than stressing and getting it complicated when you go to Instagram and you're looking for, a third-party app to use. Whereas with WhatsApp, all these things are already in the app, in the main app. Everything is easy for you. Everything is stress-free. So instead of saying to yourself, there's no money, there's no job, I don't know how to get money. Money is so difficult to make. How about you use the things you have, your mobile phone and WhatsApp, and start earning? Start selling something. Look for what you can sell. Look for the things that have profits in them. Sell it on your WhatsApp. You can sell literally anything. Anything. Palm oil, what have you? Herbs, you can sell it on WhatsApp. Yes. Yes. So please get on with it, okay? The second thing you can sell on WhatsApp is digital products. Now, there are so many digital products you can sell. There are ebooks, templates, checklists, courses. What do you know? How about packaging your knowledge? That thing you know, that thing that people are always asking you about in an ebook or a course. Or maybe if you are creative, designing templates or checklists or printables, and then package it and sell as a digital product. For instance, it could be a knowledge about how you achieved a particular goal. It could be that before you were fat and then you did some things that made you lose weight. And now you have figure eight and you are trim and you like the way you look. You can package that knowledge and sell it for people that also want to achieve the same results that you got. And maybe they're tired of trying out every other way that keeps on failing, and they are like wondering, how do I do this? How do I achieve this? Where can I see results? They're desperately looking for solutions. You can come up with something, and you know that you've gone through that route. You know how it feels. You know what you did to get that result. You can package it and sell it to people. Let them buy. The people that need it, your target audience. You can sell it on WhatsApp using the features I mentioned earlier, the catalog and the quick replies. Thirdly, there's affiliate marketing. So if you don't want to create your own digital product, or you don't even know how to do that, you can promote other people's digital products or physical products, but in this case, mostly digital products. So just people out there who have their products in different Nigerian sites, affiliate sites like StakeCourt, Expertnia, you go there, pay the registration fee if there's any, then join them as an affiliate. Go there, check affiliate products that you can promote and start promoting them. It could be that you have a knowledge about that particular product, maybe because you know things about it, but then you cannot create your own. Then you promote another person's own and then get paid commissions. So it could be that the person will give you 30% commission, 50% commission, meaning that if the product is 10,000 naira and it is a 50% commission, it means you will get paid 5,000 naira as commission. Now, regardless of what you are selling on WhatsApp, whether it is physical products or your own products or service, you need this particular skill, which is marketing and also sales. So that is why you have to stay glued to this channel, because as you can see, that is what I do here. I teach you marketing. And if you want to take it a step further, or you really want to be intentional, or you want to get faster results, I highly suggest you get the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle. As usual, check the description box for the link to check it out. Now, for this fourth way of earning via WhatsApp, people are already using it to earn on YouTube. And it is through their future there, which is membership, right? They pay for membership, they pay to belong to a group. And so people of that group, the members there, they are literally sent special videos, tips, exclusive resources that are just for them. They're like VIPs. The resources and videos are not meant for every other person subscribed to that channel or even non-subscribers. It is merely for people in that membership, right? You pay a token. It could be 500 naira, it could be 1000, depending on what the creator set it to be. That same thing, you can use it on WhatsApp to earn, which is paid communities and groups. So literally what you do is to create a private WhatsApp group where people will pay you a small token before they can join. It could be 2000 naira, it could be 5000 naira, it could be 8000 naira, depending on the value you are giving, depending on what you do. So it could be a group where you share job alerts. It could be a group where you share exclusive information that you don't just share outside. It could even be daily business tips or entertainment content. You have to pay before you gain access to this particular group. Now, before you do this, you have to have enough value, and you have to show that value before people can trust you enough to pay you to join that your private group, knowing that I'm going to get more if free can be like this. Now, that is for that. But for me, I have a WhatsApp group that is completely free where I share exclusive tips and resources that you can learn from for business owners, intentional business owners who sell on WhatsApp or who want to start selling on WhatsApp and start packing money on WhatsApp. That group is for you. You can join them before I close that group. So go to the description box and check for the link to join that group. Moving on to the last but not the least way to earn on WhatsApp. That is offering freelance services. Now you see, I have skills. I have editing skills, I have writing skills, I even have drawing skills. I can offer all these things as a freelance service if I want. I can use WhatsApp to do that. But then, for now, I am not doing that. I can do that in the future. But what about you? You that have this particular skill of you know how to edit a video, even with your phone video editing. Content creators are out there looking for people that can edit their videos. Upcoming content creators are looking for people who can edit their video. How about you use your WhatsApp to promote yourself? Promote yourself so that people will know, and then they will send you those short clips so that you can edit it and send to them, and then they'll pay you. Just the other day, I had to teach my colleague how to edit using CapCut. For others now, I'm thinking, this is a very cheap skill. What's there? Is it not to use cut and join and add transition and add effect and all that, overlays and all? But someone out there doesn't know how to do it. Well, you that can do it, you can write CV, you can design something, graphic design, you can do web design, you can work with Excel spreadsheets, you can do data analysis. You have different skills that are paying you, different skills that you learn, even the ones you learn for free that you've mastered and others. How about to use it and make money online than waiting for when they'll pay you salary, when they'll dash you money, when someone will gift you, when you build that your uncle and he'll give you? How about you start from using your WhatsApp to do this thing? Utilize the skill you have, that thing you have, that talent you have, develop it and start using it. Use WhatsApp to sell out and get money, okay? This is the last, but definitely not the least, not number 5. Now, the next way you can earn on WhatsApp is through WhatsApp TV. A WhatsApp TV is like running your own mini media empire right from your phone. You choose a niche people are obsessed with. It could be breaking news, celebrity gist, football updates, comedy skits, educational tips, or even motivational quotes. Then you start posting consistently, day after day, until people cannot help but come to your status to watch what you're posting. Now, when you do this consistently, your views will grow from hundreds to thousands. And then when this your view grow, business owners, small brands can now come and advertise on your status, because definitely it is on your status that you'll be posting them. Because they now know that you have thousands of views, they will pay you money depending on what you charge, 2000, 5000, 7000, depending on how you package it. And then they will advertise their business. It's just like you running your own ad. Instead of them using Facebook ad, they come to you. The bigger the audience, the higher you can charge. Now the thing is, as your audience keep growing, and becoming big, you can now start promoting your own products there or affiliate products there. Now the thing is, no matter how you decide to make money on WhatsApp, ensure that you don't joke with these two things, which is consistency and building trust. You have to be consistent. You cannot show up today and then disappear for 2 weeks. Out of sight is out of mind. Once the people move on, WhatsApp is fast paced. They'll move on to the next serious vendor because to them, you are not serious. It's just like you now owning a shop in Alaba, for instance. You open today and after two you disappear for 2 weeks, nobody sees you, and then you come back again. Like, would they take you serious? The customers will literally disappear and leave your legs. They are really, really, really loyal to you. But if you're starting out, if you're doing that, then you are literally on your own. So you have to be consistent with posting, showing up, and every other thing you're doing. And also, you have to be trustworthy. Anything you say on your WhatsApp status should be correct. If you give advice, make sure it is correct. There are different ways you can build trust on WhatsApp. That's another topic, altogether. And if you want me to discuss that, tell me in the comment section. And when you combine these two things while selling on WhatsApp, you literally turn WhatsApp into a real money machine. Now, these methods are not theory, they are actually working in 2025. So, if you're tired of waiting for the government, tired of waiting for your salary, tired of waiting for the lights at the end of the tunnel, you can start now. You can start today. Just start making research, checking. Go and also watch this video if you're a complete beginner and you don't know where to start, how to start. I literally broke down what to do, how to start earning from WhatsApp, what to do, how to attract audiences and all. Plus, you can check my other videos. They are just there. They are free to watch. Go there and watch them. Gain that knowledge, okay? Knowledge is profitable to direct. You cannot be broke and still be ignorant. Those two things, they don't work together. Okay? So go out there and look for ways to earn on WhatsApp. So if you're a business person, or if you want to start earning online, you want to start making money online, and you're tired of watching others make money while you struggle, you need the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle right now. It has 10 plus proven tools to help you grow your audience and attract paying customers on WhatsApp. Every day you delay is another day you stay stuck in the same place. So click the link in the description box or the first pinned comment to check it out. So tell me in the comment section. I want to hear from you. Which of these 6 do you want to start with? And also, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. Tell me. Subscribe, like. Until I see you in my next video. Take care.